हेलो गाइस, के हाल चाल है? फिट फाट हो, ठीक ठाक हो, राजी हो, नहीं हो, कैसे हो सब लोग? उम्मीद करते हैं सब खैरियत से होंगे। Guys, our topic is Wikipedia download. What is Wikipedia? Application and information installation and usage. Guys, you know we have uh, informative knowledge for you. So guys, we deliver in you very in videos in through our videos. So if you interested in our videos and like our videos, so guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share my channel. So guys, without any wasting our time, we go to Play Store and type Wikipedia app. So guys, I am in my search bar. So I type here Wikipedia. Wikipedia. So guys, ये देखें मैं यहाँ पे again I am searching here Wikipedia found Wikimedia Foundation application from Wikimedia Foundation. 4.4 star rating, 6 to 7K reviews, 7.3 MB, 30 plus rating, and 50 million plus downloads. So guys, we click here installation, and in installation is pending and starting. So we go to about application. About this application, about where is about? So guys, here about the official app for Wikipedia, the world's largest source of information, the best Wikipedia experience on your mobile device, ad free and free of charge forever with the official Wikipedia app. You can see and explore 40 plus million articles in 300 plus languages, no matter where you are. Why you will love this app? The app it's free and open. Uh, uh, Wikipedia is the encyclopedia that anyone can edit. Article on Wikipedia are fully licensed, and the app code is 100% open source. At the heart and soul of Wikipedia is community of people working to bring you unlimited access to free, reliable, and neutral information. No ads. Wikipedia is a place to learn, not a place for advertising. This app is made by the Wikimedia Foundation, a non-profit organization that supports and operates Wikipedia. We provide this information in the purest pursuit of open knowledge that always ad free and never track your data. Read in your language. Search 14 billion articles in over 300 languages in the world largest source of information. Set your preferred language in the app and easily switch between them when browsing or reading. Use it offline. Save your favorite articles and read Wikipedia offline with my arrest name list as you like, and collect articles across different languages. Saved articles and reading lists are accessed across all your devices and are available even when you do not have internet connectivity. Attention to detail and on night mode. The app embrace Wikipedia simplicity and adds delight to it. A beautiful and distraction-free interface lets you focus on and the essential reading articles with text size adjustment and themes in pure black dark sepia or light. You can choose the most pleasant reading experience for you. So guys, here is beautiful and loving application. We gonna open it, and that's amazing. Continue and get started. So guys, here is Wikipedia. You can search anything about. So guys, our topic end here. Bye, take care.